last class, and we started discussing SAP submodules. What are the submodules is there? So under SAP, there are so many submodules. And again, broadly, we can classify SAP modules into two types: functional modules, technical modules. Functional modules, nothing but day-to-day business operation model. If you go to any organization, so big organization, they have the different department people. They are going to perform the different business activities. That is, we can call it as a function. Like purchase department, they are going to procure the okay fixed asset. Sales department, they will take care of customer sales, finished goods, service. Depends on the industry. And HR people, new employee recruitment, joining on employee database maintenance, payroll run, other queries. Similarly, production planning, then they will take care of. So what are the products we are going to produce? For that, what are the raw materials is required? The different raw materials is required. Then each raw material, how much quantity is required? Okay. Then other module, PM, plant maintenance. They are going to take care of plant machineries, performance, okay, any expiry, any repairs, okay, breakdown, this kind of they will take care. Like every functional model, some operations, day-to-day business. Technically, SAP also, every department, one module is given. So that we are calling as a, these are all SAP functional modules, operational modules. And also, we have in SAP technical modules also. So technical module means backend. Like in SAP, we have one module, ABAP. This is purely for programming module. Any technology, so default to they have lot of features. Lot of features means so automations, controls. Still, something if you want to develop our own programming means that is we can call it as a customized. Okay, then SAP we have our own inbuilt module about programming. So already you people are aware that market different to technologies, different to programming modules is there. SAP is our inbuilt module or our own programming module. Maybe market you people are aware. Java is the one programming module is there, right? .NET, Python. Okay. C++, like different programming modules is available. Still other modules also there, but SAP we are using our own programming module. We are not depending on the Java or .NET or Python. Okay. If anything customization is required, our own programming we can develop it. Similarly, we have one more module, basis. Means these people are going to take care of securities. Security means first we have to buy the SAP license from the SAP labs. Then that server maintenance and server also in SAP generally every project will use three systems. One is development system, then quality system, then production system. We are going to maintain separate system for the development activities and testing activities, quality and production. So this will discuss detailed who are going to learn for the complete course. Okay. Some people are looking just accounting kind of jobs, right? End user jobs. So for that, these people not required much technical knowledge, but overall, I am trying to give the idea. So what is SAP? If you know the idea, not only for current job, in future also, the SAP end user job is not your goal. So initially to start the career, how to think about long term, which is the best module or SAP technology for our long career. Just I'm giving the idea. Okay. Not only SAP, if you take any technology or if you take any product also. Suppose we are seeing so many products in the market. Suppose any new car is going to launch in the market. First, what they will do? They have the R&D department. First, they are going to start the new product development R&D. Then they will do the quality testing. Then only they are going to release that product to market. Again, if you take any pharma industry, again, first they will start the new product to R&D. Then they are going to do the clinical trials. Okay. If everything is success, then they are going to launch the product. Especially people are aware, everyone last 3-4 years market. So many pharma companies they started R&D on the COVID vaccine. Lot of companies they started R&D. Some companies is success, some companies is failure. Still some companies are doing the some R&D. Right? Later they did so many clinical trials. Then after that they need to get the approval from the government. Then they can launch the product in the market. Right? Like every product. So we have the 3 types of activities: development, testing, quality, production. Means market launching. So industry to industry, we are going to use the terminology is different. Some industries we are going to call it as it is R&D. Right? Then testing. Then finally we are going to launch the product. Similarly, any software products we can call it as a development. Also we can call it as R&D. Then we have to do the quality. Then only we are going to use to production. This small software in a small product, there is no much R&D. There is no much R&D development. Mostly they are going to use the only single system. Development purpose, quality, production. When you go to any big softwares, any big products, so this classification is required. So later on you come to know what is why we require this much development, quality testing and production. Example, if you take SAP, we are going to automate the tax calculation, GST calculation. So if you are going to use only one system, GST calculation, lot of calculations is required. Different calculation, GST is there, input, output. But it's first time if you are going to develop the system, okay, fine. We can do one system itself, all the things. Finally, we can use it. But later on also, a lot of new requirements. Example, GST. Before GST, India, we have the VAT. Long back, I'm using the system. And in between, government changed the tax policy. And new GST came into it. So, in running system, I cannot go and do the R&D, right? GST calculation. Testing what I have to do. In live system, how I can post the test today. It's 1 entry, 2 entry, fine. We can try. But so when you're doing this big software testing, lot of testings you have to accuracy. Okay. Then all test data we cannot dump in the production directly. Cannot do the R&D in the production. So that we'll use the separate systems for that. We can do the development. Okay. And also SAP, I told you even last class also. Most of the processes we are going to integrate with the third-party systems. Example, I told you, whenever employee is going to travel outstation, marketing people, sales, production. Okay. So it is very difficult to submit the bills to accounts department people sitting into system and accommodation, internet bill, other bills. In most of the cases, what I told, we are going to integrate with third-party system. Means so many cloud applications is there. Small, it is licensing cost is very less. And my employee can go and log into that application. He will submit the bill. The same application itself, their respective managers is going to approve the bills. Approve the bills. Then final data, we are going to bring it SAP. 100 transaction, 500 transaction, 1000 transaction, big amount. And third party system to SAP system integration. Directly, I cannot do the production test. Okay. So technically, programming need to develop our own file coming to our system, file consumption. Lot of activities we have to do. Directly, I cannot do the R&D in the product. Okay, first time we implemented, it is running in the system we are using. Later on, maybe third-party application, some SAP application, some new technology upgrade is required. And again, we have to do the some development activities, quality testing. I cannot do in the production system. So if you have that separate systems for that, then whenever new things is coming into picture, running project also, first we'll do the R&D in the development system. Then we'll do the whole types of testing in the quality system. Then if everything is fine, we'll move to production. And also moreover, so SAP is the big application. It is not user handy. Okay. So even business users also, whoever want to operate this system day to day production is very difficult to follow. We'll give the complete training in the quality and number of scenarios, and also we'll give the access to them. There and also to
Sir,
the
it's breaking, sir.
1 minute. Okay, for business operation users also, who are going to do the day-to-day activities in the production system, we'll give the training to them in the quality system, and also we'll give the access to do the multiple cycle testing. Once they run the cycles multiple in the quality system, they are more comfort in the system. Then easily they can handle in the production. We can avoid much mistakes in the production system. So like that, we can use this quality system for training, demo, and later user practice purpose. Okay. And the development system, purely we can use it as a SAP consultant. Then finally, the production system will use it for the day-to-day operations. And this system setup is going to take care of basis people. And so process wise also, if you go to any organization, okay, people, I mean metal management people, they are going to take care of procurement activities. Last class we discussed. They will raise the request, order, goods received, finally we'll get the invoice, right? And the sales people, different activities they are going to perform. Finance people, different activities, HRM people. And here we need some authorization control. So sales team should not touch purchase related activities. Similarly, purchase team should not touch sales activities. And similarly, this purchase team or sales team should not touch HR activities. HR data is more confidential, more sensitive. If you have access to anyone, then employee data, they maintain some basic salary this month. Someone will go and change it. Then we'll get the more salary monthly. Now, it is more confidential data, should not know all the people, top end people, how much salary they are getting, right? So then how to restrict the people? These people are going to take care of authorizations. We'll bring the authorization controls. Okay. So don't worry, this is long-term course. We'll go in detail. Okay. So in terms of little technology, accounting point of view, first day itself I told. First day only general discussion we had, right? I told that first we need to learn the business first, then accounting, then technology. It can be today SAP, tomorrow any other technology is coming to picture. You are clear with the business process, accounting, any technology you can adapt. Right now also market, there are so many softwares is available accounting. Tally, Oracle, SAP, okay, QuickBooks, Zoho Books, lot of new applications is coming. Okay, and sometimes we are not working on the one application, multiple integration applications, right? Older days only, if you want to do the any bank to transaction, if you want to transfer the fund to someone, only we are going to log into net banking. Nowadays, Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, UPA, that thing, this thing, Google Scan, n number of front-end applications, right? But back-end central application is banking, right? If you know the banking system, then front-end application, anyone, even 10th class people also, they can able to operate the Phone Pay, Google Pay. But banking system, they don't, not all. Net banking, how to add the beneficiary, what is the APS, what is the NEFT transfer, what is RTGS transfer, right? So this is also, if you go to every business nowadays, wherever the simple application is available, content, budget, business is going to migrate that. And but they want backend central system is one application like SAP, Oracle, some other applications. Okay, maybe once you get the chance, we are not sure whether you are going to work in the SAP system. By then you are going to work into different systems. Even when you are going to create the vendor ledger also, some people they are going to create like in SAP system ledger account. Some people third party application they are going to do. And I think first demo class also I told my current project Ether bikes, electric bikes. And the customer they are going to book the bike in the one portal. Okay, initial booking. We are also going to book, right? But mostly we'll go to dealer and we'll give the some token advance and they will tell that 1 month to 2 months is the delivery time. Then later they will call, we'll go and buy the bike. Similarly, some people directly go buy the bikes from the company. Okay, company websites also there. So in my current project too, so either a website is there. Directly as a customer, I can book into website. I will book the some amount 5,000, 2,500 token advance vehicle. And front end some application we are going to use it portal. We are not going to Ether office and Ether people they are not going to create the ledger account into their SAP system directly. Just portal, any client to user can log in from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, surroundings Bangalore, they can log in and they can book the vehicle. And the backend, the data is coming to SAP. They are creating in SAP. They will create customer ledger. And a token advance, they will book as a 2,500 advance received from the customer. Then they are going to give the information when there is a delivery date on those things. Then on that day, customer will come and they will create the sale order. What is the bike cost? And the customer need to pay. Then they will book the delivery. Then they will book the final invoice copy. Okay. The customer ledger creation, we are not at all doing manual. Third party application, user is going to log in and he is going to submit the details. The data we are copying from to SAP, automatic creation of customer ledger. Maybe tomorrow you have to do the some front end activity, back end it is going to replicate to the SAP. You are going to verify the data later SAP system. Okay. Again, recently it charger refund they given. Initially, government is giving the subsidy for the initially they collected from the customer charger amount. Then later government tell that so subsidy they given. Then government to these people are going to refund the amount to customers. Like 1,20,000 customers they refund. If I want to, when customer is going to buy, I don't need customer bank details, all those things. Because the customer is going to pay to Ether and they are going to take the bike. But when I want to refund the money, then I need customer bank details. Like that, around 1,20,000 customers. Is it possible manually go and do update into SAP system, customer ledger creation, update the bank details, and also if I want to pay to customer, I have to create the liability in my system, right? For that, generally people know sales. Here we have to book the sales returns, credit note. In this all three activities, we did automation. Okay. Whoever purchased the bike, we developed one portal. We given that portal access to customers link. They will log into that portal and they are going to submit their details: customer name, customer invoice copy, customer vehicle number, registration number, all details, and customer bank details, and what is the charge amount. Different types of charges based on that. User need to enter the charge amount also. And all this data, end of the day, we'll take the file dump from the third party application and we are going to process into SAP. Customer ledger creation, along with customer ledger creation, bank details updation, and also we are going to create a customer credit note automatically in SAP system. Then the next day, we are going to run the payment to program automation. Every day, 1,000 customers, 2,000 customers are going to submit the details. We will update in the system, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. And tomorrow I have to pay to those people some 1,000 payments, 2,000 payments, 3,000 payments. And after payment also, I have to send the communication to employee. Payment is done. This is the acknowledgement. Like whenever you people are going to pay the fee amount also, if you will send the phone pay, Google pay, receipt, right? Then it is more accuracy communication. Okay. So like that, you are not sure whether you are going to work directly in SAP system or Oracle system, Tally system, or third-party system. So you should know the different systems, knowledge, business knowledge, market, what are the applications is there. Even if you want to book the train, bus ticket, flight ticket also nowadays, there are so many apps in there, Avibus, Redbus. Olden days, we have to go to railway station or bus registration counter, we have to book the ticket. Nowadays, all are third-party applications. Okay, but business process is same, but it is more convenient to user-friendly than using the front-end applications, right? So the same way you have to learn this course also. Okay? It is long-term course. Even whoever want to go as end user also, I think around 1.5 months to 2 months is the course duration, right? And whoever want to learn the complete course, it is 4.5 months course. Okay. Don't hurry. Maybe first day itself you are not understanding. Second day you'll get little bit idea. To go directly technically or accounting terminology, it is very difficult for something. So try to understand the business process, then start accounting, then technology automation. It is very easy. If you understand the business process, then you come to know something you are going to purchase. Okay, you have to pay to third party. Third party you are purchasing it, then you have to pay. If you want to pay, when something you are going to purchase into our system, then we have to book into our system, liability to third party. If it is liability, then we have to pay, right? Okay. Like that, you have to understand the business process, what we are procuring. Purchase is the not a normal, purchase is the common word. Purchase it can be service, purchase it can be goods, purchase it can be asset. That is what I covered first day. Okay. Again, I given the examples also. Then later accounting will think for service purchase, what is the accounting entry, goods purchase, what is the accounting entry, asset purchase, what is the accounting entry. And for these different types of purchases, what are the taxes is applicable. Okay. Some purchases only GST is applicable. Some purchases TDS also applicable. Okay. So technically, so now what I'm trying to say, so basis team, they are going to work on the system setup, then authorization controls, securities, and also third party system integrations. Just now I give an example. Okay. Few things only we are going to do in the directly in SAP system. And small operations, Mostly we are going to do in the third party application, and from third party application to SAP application, we are bringing the data. Okay. In this case, basis TV is going to do the integration between our SAP system to third party applications. Okay. Then one minute. Okay. Any version upgrade means if you take any technology, we can see the day to day some updates is coming. Okay. Some small application directly we can also update. Suppose you are using laptop or something. So we are getting right Windows update. Even you are using mobile, we are getting the every day so many notifications, right? Phone pay, some features update, okay, WhatsApp update, Facebook update, whatever application you are using in your mobile, every day you will get notification, update. This is directly as a customer, we are going to update small things. These big things, so some technical people is required. As a finance guy, I cannot go and update the version, update all those things, right? In real-time project, big applications. We don't know technically something goes wrong. Who is the responsibility? So we have separate team for that technical team. And they are going to take care of any new version upgrade. Okay. In small application, example, you people are seeing the every day, so many notifications in our mobile. Our end also we can do. If required, we can update, or else we can ignore also, right? Is it mandatory to update every notification or whatever application you are in your mobile? No. Whatever features is there, I don't know even all the features. I'm using WhatsApp, I'm using PhonePe, Google Pay. If it is not working, then I will think about anything I need to do. Otherwise, I can continue that. So similarly, when you go to big application also, okay, not mandatory to upgrade everything. Because of SAP is going to develop, okay, some new features, some upgrade, version upgrade, and it is cost for the company. It is not free of cost. Okay. If required really that version for my project, I can think about whether I can go for the upgrade or not. Something new features is given, but new features maybe it is not relevant to my business. Okay, n number of industries they are using the SAP. Maybe the SAP given some updated version. It is related to real estate industry. It is related to oil and gas, right? Different industries is there. General manufacturing, retail, trading, okay, hospitalities. So many industries is there. Maybe that solution is not relevant to farming. Okay? I can go through that. I come to know. They will give the documentation, all those things. What are the future like this? Then if it is really required for my business, we'll think about it. Again, budget is the matter here. Management need to decide. If I go with this operation, what is the added benefit? I'm spending money, but what is the added benefit for my business? Somehow I'm handling manually. Okay, then what I can think, I can go with the older version. Okay. When you coming to ABAP people also, everywhere, suppose some integration is required, third party system to our system. Maybe some data direct conversion it is possible. Some data direct conversion is not possible. Maybe third party system is going to send the data, XML file, text file, CSV file, or JSON format. Okay. Maybe directly the data we cannot use it to our system. or else our data, our system data, we are sending to third-party system. I mean, direct to conversion is not possible. Then any data conversion is required. So we can write our own program. Okay. We can write with our any coding is required for data conversion, data storing, data consumption. Right? Then we can see, especially India project. India taxation itself too difficulty, some complexity. And also India, whatever purchases you are doing day-to-day basis, whatever sales we are doing day-to-day basis, all this purchase data, sales data, we have to submit to government every month. Okay? Who are already working, those people already aware this. And even who are not working also, day-to-day we have to learn all this. Okay? Purchase register, sales register. In this purchase register, whatever service you are going to purchase, goods you are going to purchase, asset you are going to purchase. Okay? Quantity, rate, and also to whom we are going to purchase. Okay? Your vendor name, vendor state. Okay, so in the same state, one tax is applicable. Different days, the state, different tax is applicable. Okay, vendor state, vendor address, our plant address, and also our GST registration number, your vendor GST registration number, everything we have to capture into one report. Okay? This is also country-specific legal requirement. This is not unique for the across the global tax reports, TDS reports. Then SAP will not give the each country-wise legal requirement. Okay. So then what we can do? We can develop with our app. We can write our own programming. So while posting the purchase entry, I won't enter my vendor details, purchase details, tax details, state, all those things. But this information it is available in database. We have to use the database and we have to write the code and we have to develop our own required reports. Okay. And also, moreover, everyone aware we are working. Everyone, if people are getting the pay slip, right? Basically, it is unique format across the all companies or company to company is going to differ. Company to differ. Then SAP cannot provide it. This unique format everyone is going to use. Default SAP will give this is the format for sales. But it is going to vary every company. 50 to 70%. Okay, we can say same. But again, alignment, all those things, it is going to vary. Right? Then we have to develop our own program. Okay? This is just example to understand. Like that, lot of things is there to discuss. And some reporting tools also available in the market. In SAP, our own tools are we can integrate with any third-party tools. Okay. Yeah. BI, business intelligence, PODS. Okay. These are some reporting tools SAP integrated. And also we can integrate with any other reporting tools also. Market Tableau is there, Power BI is there. Okay. So data we are storing into our SAP system, complete data, purchase data, sales, the thing, this thing. And again, some different dimensions of reports business want to see. Okay. Then, so SAP itself, some reporting tools is there, projection, or else we can integrate with any third party tool. Power BI, most of the people are aware, it is purely reporting tool. Data they are going to extract from some system and they are going to project into different dimensions to manage. And best example we can see when our cricketer is coming to batter is coming to crease. We'll see that cricketer name, age, and what is career, centuries, half centuries, strike rate, how many innings he played, how many innings he ducked, right? Complete picture we can see, like bowler, and someone is going to reach the 10,000 milestone. How many runs will start? Okay, you made some 20 runs, is going to reach 10,000 milestone. Backend all data is available, and instant basis they are going to project. This kind of things is reporting tools. Okay, in SAP also we have the reporting tools, and we can integrate with any other tool is best for the projection. We can integrate with that tool. Okay, like that, so many other reporting tools also internally SAP is there, or we can integrate with the external systems also. And moreover, nowadays SAP is coming with all this kind of reporting tool inbuilt SAP. Maybe people heard SAP HANA, right? In HANA, mostly SAP itself is building this kind of solution instead of depending on again third-party reporting tool. SAP is coming, but lot of tools SAP is buying. Suppose if you go to some area or anywhere, I have 100 acres land. So beside 1 acre land is there, beside 2 acres land is there. Mostly what I will try to do, okay, purchase somehow I can put pressure, I will try to get it right. So SAP is the market leader in ERP. Any other tool is coming, in particular area the tool is good. Particular area, not all the processes. If the tool is good, first they will integrate with the tool, they will start using. Then if the tool is more accuracy and it's more useful, so maybe the tool they can integrate with Oracle application also, some other application also. Then so what they are trying to do to they are mostly they are going to buy that tool. Best example Ariba. People are aware, right? Ariba is the one tool. Generally is mostly for the sourcing tool, like vendor onboarding. Okay, vendor purchase something. This is integration with SAP initially. Now recently, they acquired Ariba. If you are working already SAP invoicing process, some of the project people see one tool is there, field, vendor invoice management. Actually, this is previously third-party tool. Now it is acquired by SAP. In HR module also, success factor. Actually, it is third-party tool acquired by SAP. Like that. Whatever tool is good, market is coming, let us know how many tools will integrate it. Later on, most of the tools SAP is going to buy. Then mostly there is no competitor for SAP. So what we going to do? Okay. Then coming to our functional models, last class we discussed little detailed MM model. So in this model, what we understand, this is material management, and these people, material management people, what they are going to do, they are going to responsible for the procurement activities, nothing but purchase department. So each department in SAP, they given one module. Okay. Maybe technically, if people are thinking this is something new, but functionally, most of the people are aware what is purchase department, what they are going to do. Similarly, now, sales department, HR department, right? Production department, accounts department, finance department, right? And also costing. Generally, account is different, costing is different, but it is integration only. But if you go to any project, separate costing thing is there. We'll discuss our core model. I will come back to in detail. So because of directly we cannot use our accounting model. So most of the thing, big application is especially in the SAP is the more integration tool between all the modules. Okay. Most of the activities it will start from the different module and finally it is going to integrate with the finance. So that I'm trying to explain the first SAP submodel function. Then we'll come to our core accounting. Okay. What are the submodels? Each submodel, what we can do. So here, purchase department people, what they are going to do? They are going to perform the procurement activities. And suppose example, what I told, I am working in the purchase department. What is my day-to-day job? What is my day-to-day job? Raw material requirement. So my job is not go and to purchase some randomly select one vendor, select one material, select one asset, and raise the purchase, whatever quantity, my lucky number, right? What is my job? In my organization, someone is going to request the material or asset or service. Okay, then I have to start the procurement. So that I will get the first request from the different department people. Okay, so last class I given the example. So production people, what they are going to do, if they want manufacturing any product, then they require different raw materials. And as a procurement guy, I don't know, right, which product they are going to procure, what are raw materials is relevant for that, and how much quantity is required to produce one finished goods. That is not my job. My job is this something I want to procure into my organization. The raw material, what are the vendors is available. I need to get the quotation. I need to evaluate the quotation. I need to discuss with the vendor terms and conditions. Okay. Then I have to place the order. Then I have to do the follow-up with the vendor to deliver in time. Okay. After delivery also, any goods damages, quality check. Okay. Any replacement kind of thing. This is my job. Okay. So first, I will receive the request from the production department. They required some different raw materials and what is the quantity. Okay. And what type of quality is required. That is also going to decide by production team, right? So if you see any product, you can see the grade 1, grade 2, or grade 3. Based on that, they are going to use the different raw material, right? Every car also you can take top end car is good. Top end car, whatever materials they are using, and a basic car, whatever materials they are using, definitely different, right? Okay, bulletproof car is there. Whatever glass they are using for bulletproof car and whatever glass they are using for the normal car is different or not. Then they have to specify what type of product they are going to manufacture, what type of quality is required. And then I can go and start. That is what I will get the request from these people, and then I can start inquire that product, what are the vendors is going to supply, and I will ask the quotation. I will evaluate the quotation. Then I want to finalize the quotation, and I'm going to select one particular. Maybe I can get the quotation from 5 to 10 vendors. After evaluation, I can go with one vendor or two vendors also. Why I want to go with two vendors? After evaluating, I can go with one vendor, or maybe I can go with two vendors also. Okay, same quality product I require. We can and maybe quantity supply. Okay, maybe I required 100 quantity, 1000 quantity. One vendor not able to supply the full quantity. Include all the vendors, so they are not able to supply some urgent basis. I require the product. Then I can go with two vendors. This vendor is going to supply 100 quantity, other vendor is going to supply 40 quantity or 50, right? Maybe quality is same or whatever, but sometimes is not able to supply the at a time total quantity whatever I require. Then I can go with two vendors also. Okay? That's why I'm telling the business process understanding is first important. Then accounting, then system. Okay. When you go to system, these all are very easy. It is clear with the start to end process. Okay. Then once you place the order, vendor is going to supply the goods, and we are going to perform in our system. Goods is prepared, they are stock entry. Okay. Generally, the stock where we are going to receive, not in corporate office. Every company, they have corporate office in the metro cities, and they have manufacturing unit in the outside cities. So then there we have the source team, they are going to receive the stock and they are going to verify the goods. And here I explained goods receipt is done by the some plant level stores people. And they are going to verify the goods, quality check, quality check. So some of the products may be physical damage details. Directly we can identify this is damage or quantity, short quantity they received. What basis they can verify? Short quantity you received or full quantity you received. Okay, I'm sitting in headquarter. I'm going to place the order. Source of material 100 quantity for Bangalore plant. 2 pin enders value. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, vendor is going to supply the goods to directly. They are going to send to plant only. They are not sending to corporate office to verify and then later go and send to material to plant. Directly they will supply to plant. And stores people need to verify the stock. And what basis they will verify the quantity is correct or not. So here, once I place the order to my vendor in my system, I'm going to generate the one purchase order number. So with reference to that order number, vendor need to supply the goods. And when I raise the purchase order in my system, my system is going to generate one order copy number and order details. What is the material quantity, okay, quality, what is the rate, base amount, all those things. And I can mention which plant I want to deliver this material. I can sit here, I can place the order to my Bangalore plant. I can sit here, I can place the order to my Hyderabad plant, Mumbai plant also. Okay. Then vendor accordingly is going to supply it. And once I raise the order and the vendor, their system, what they are going to do? Vendor also it is one company, right? The purchase from the some third party company. Now they are also using SAP system or any other system. Their system with reference to our purchase order, their system what they will do? They will raise the sales order in their system. For us it is purchase. For vendor it is sales. They will create their system is the sale order. And they are going to give their sale order, our purchase order as a reference. Okay. With reference to that, they will write they will, what you can say, sale order they will create. Then other team is going to do the packing. For dispatches, first they need to do the packing, right? Suppose they are going to place the biryani order in Swiggy. Then it will go to some whatever Meganite or biryani you place the order. Then it will go to other department. Right? Production department is different, kitchen production means. The other team is what? Packing. Then dispatch. This is the process, right? So that's why I told you even first class or second class. You people apart from class, day to day your activities, you people correlate it, it is one business process. Whatever we are placing the food order also on business process. We are placing the order in Amazon, shirt or pant, or mobile, or laptop. This is one business process. The same it is applicable for tomorrow. Maybe you can work for Amazon. Even one of my students previously, she worked for the Swiggy as account department. She is learning SAP, she is working in the Swiggy account department. Something it is related job. Later she focused on the SAP complete development part. Okay. So their system they are going to raise the sale order with reference to our purchase order, and their system they are going to start the delivery process, dispatch process, and their system they are going to write the sales invoice. And that invoice copy along with the delivery, they will send the delivery challan invoice copy. And whenever my store team is going to receive the stock, what they will do? In that invoice copy or delivery channel, we have the PO number. So here, whenever you are going to perform the goods receipt, here we'll give our PO number as the reference. Our first thing what they will do? They will put the PO number as a reference. Then my system will propose. I have created order, right? I will show the system also, maybe next class. Okay. They will put the PO number as a reference. Then my system is going to provide for this vendor. This is the product we order, this much quantity we order, and this is the maybe specifications like grade, quality, all of it. Suppose you are going to place the order for the laptop, Dell laptop. In Dell laptops also, there are so many models. We place the order for Dell some i7, and vendor is going to supply Dell only. i5 is going to supply, right? If you mention order only Dell, then when you're receiving the stock, this conflict, right? You mention the order itself, Dell, so model, i5, and the hard disk is 512 GB SSD, and RAM is 8 GB. Mention all this specification. When you receive the goods, it is more easy to validate. And you simply mention Dell laptop 10. It is problem for the stores people. Similarly, you can think about material also. They will mention the specification, service, also specification. Accordingly, they are going to verify it. Whether as per order, vendor is going to supply the same material, same quality, same grade, okay, same quantity or not. Okay. If everything is matching, and also they will check the any physical damages in here. Okay, if it is physical damages directly, they will come. Okay. And if everything is fine, they are going to perform the stock entry. Then next, still some materials we require a quality check. So thing they cannot confirm the quality. Physical damages they can confirm. Short quantity they can confirm. Whether the stock is matching with our order or not, they will confirm. The rest some quality check is required. Suppose if you go to pharma industry, chemical vendor is going to supply. So thing they don't know about chemistry, right? Their job is receive the stamp, quality checking, all those things. Then it will goes to quality department. They are going to verify the quality. Like at every department also, if you go to manufacturing also, engineering department is there. They are going to check the quality, not so people. Right? We have engineering department, right? They are going to verify the quality, all those things there. If they are okay with quality, so for that also I told you, maybe it will take you time 1 week or something. For that only I told you. Until you get the confirmation quality or something, we are going to hold the invoice process. For that, what is the accounting entry also we discussed last class. At the time of GRN, what is the accounting entry? At the time of invoice, what is the accounting entry? And at the time of vendor payment, what is the accounting entry? Then next to BRS. Then coming to sales. Okay. Sales people, what they are going to do? They are going to perform sales activities. And also we can add one more column. In purchase department, these people are going to handle with the vendors or suppliers. Right? Purchase department, they are going to handle with the vendors and what they are going to dealing in what raw material purchase. Okay, and the service or fixed asset purchase. And when coming to sales department, these people are going to dealing with customers. And these people are going to dealing with the finished goods, service. And what about asset? It depends upon the business. Generally, okay, raw material, service, fine. When you coming to asset generally what purpose you are going to purchase? For business usage, long term. Suppose I am going to purchase a laptop. The purpose of what? My finance department or IT department, HR department. Nowadays, every department will generate some system, desktop or laptop. Even production people, marketing people, sales people also, except to production labor. Most of the department people they are going to use the laptop or desktop. Right? This is operational purpose. Long term, we are going to buy, right? Not for short term. Means asset sale is very rare case. Right. Okay. Very rare case we are going to sell the asset. But possibility is there, sell of asset. Means second hand sale. Okay. So laptop useful life is 3 years. I'm going to use it for operations. Later in the stage, maybe they can, some people, some companies, they can sold out to laptop to some third party, scrap sale. Or else some companies they are going to hand out the old laptop to employees, big companies or small companies. Okay, 3 years, 4 years. After that, they are going to hand over the laptop to save with the employee free of cost. Or else they will charge from the employee small amount. Or else some companies directly they are going to sold out to some third party. Okay. And not only laptop, we can take example other things also. Suppose machinery. Okay, I purchased some machinery some 5 to 6 years back. Useful life is 10 years. But maybe various reason 5 to 6 years back, budget issues, or 5 to 6 years back, there is no latest machineries available in the market. Whatever machinery is available, I am going to purchase it. And maybe budget, based on the budget also, maybe already some high capacity machineries is there, advanced machineries is there. Due to budget issue, I purchased normal machinery. Now my company grown out after 5 to 6 years. Okay, then what I'm thinking, I can use this machinery another 3, 4 years. But so I'm thinking that if I go with advanced machinery, high capacity machinery, and also so much automation is coming in machinery also, then I'm thinking that my productivity I can increase. And also, if you some automation kind of thing is there, then we can avoid the much labor work. Time saving, okay? Labor also we can reduce. Right? So then management is thinking that still that asset is useful for another 3, 4 years, but they want to replace with the advanced machineries. Okay. Then old machinery, what we can do? We'll try to sell down. Maybe market so many startup companies is there. Maybe they have the challenge with budget initially, but they want to start some business. Right? They can buy it, right? Then that is one possibility. I can sold it to old machinery and I'm planning to buy the new machinery. That is one reason I'm going to sell the old machinery. Similarly, vehicle, any asset. Okay. Suppose, okay, I'm planning to buy the new machinery, advanced machinery, but old machinery no one is going to buy. What I will do? We'll go for the sales, scrap sale. Okay. Scrap sale means bulk, some value, not each asset wise,
Hello.
this much. Okay, scrap sale we can do. Or else if
Sir,
no
no
one is going
voice,
to buy,
sir.
we'll do the normal scrap. Okay, with zero value. Okay, that is also possibilities there. So fixed asset sale is their scenario, but when is the important. And other things common, finished goods, we are going to manufacture the some finished goods and also some service we are going to sell. And here we are going to dealing with customer sales activities. And here the process it will start how? What basis I want to sell? Randomly, I will select one customer. I will do some type of say.
Customer
Right
is
now,
your-
you see the request. from
Like customer.
Similarly, customer is going to write the request to us.
Customer is.
Okay, they are going to write the request. Suppose you want to buy the bike, so we'll go to showroom, right? Showroom people are coming to your home and they're taking the order, giving the delivery, right? But that kind of business also is a door-to-door delivery, small products. Sales people will come to house and they are telling you, so this product is good, this is okay. But big things, they are not coming to our house and are not selling, right? We are going to dealer or showroom, we are going to place the order. Some products shortage is there, we are going to put the advance also, advance booking, right? So similarly, as per your request, they are going to raise the dealer is going to raise the sale order. You are going to place the biryani order, they are going to create their system sales, right? Similarly, here some customer is going to raise the request. Based on that, our system, what we are going to do, we are going to create the sales order. Shortcut, we can call it as it is S4. Right?
Sir, there is no voice, sir.
Hello?
There is no voice, sir.
Others? You can able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Others I'm asking. Is there any voice disturbance or screen sharing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
And screen sharing?
Yes, sir.